The Air Jordan 1 Low SE Maneki Neko delivers a unique blend of tradition, culture, and streetwear style. Dressed in a bold black and dragon red color scheme, the shoe features a smooth leather upper with subtle textured panels that add depth and visual interest. Rich red accents highlight the toe box and heel, creating a striking contrast against the glossy black base. A standout detail is the embroidered Maneki Neko cat face on the tongue, carefully stitched to showcase warmth and personality. Adding to the theme, a small gold bell is attached to the laces, symbolizing good fortune and attention to detail. The pair includes extra black and red laces with gold tips for a premium finish. Underfoot, a deep navy rubber outsole provides durability and stability, while the insole displays a gold Jumpman logo and Chinese numeral 23. This limited Jordan brand release bridges Japanese cultural symbolism and modern street fashion, making it a standout piece for collectors and everyday wear.